Alright, we got this Acura RDX in for interior cleaning today. Should need some work, but it's not too bad overall. What is that? I guess there was some milk or something that spilled, and the customer, I think she got rid of the smell by herself, but there's all these little laundry things in there. Get rid of all that, but it doesn't smell like anything. It smells pretty good actually. So let's clean it up, enhance it, make it look a lot nicer. Clean up these floor mats. So probably be a few hour job. Getting in all this dirt. Clean up these seats, condition them, make them look nice. These door panels, same thing. So it's gonna be nice.